All right. So here I am answering the questions on carbs, especially the questions which are very, very common, and I think it makes sense to answer them by video rather than putting it on a chat. So question number one: what about beans, pulses, and legumes because they are considered carbs as well as protein? Now, here is the thing. Say, for example, if you have beans and carbs together. So if you're having rajma chawal, rajma rice. So rajma is your source of protein, rice is your source of carbs. Because you already have a source of carb, you consider this as protein. For example, you're having something which is a better source of protein plus beans. So for example, paneer plus beans. Okay. In that case, you consider paneer as your protein, beans as your carbs. So I know it's little confusing, but that's how life is. Okay. We can't put things in very clear, simple bucket that this is carb or this is fat. If you want to really go by a simple formula, then consider beans, legumes as protein, and the other things as carbs. Okay. That's the way to do it. But if you want to take that game to next level, then what you do is you consider beans and legumes as 50% protein, 50% carbs. So if you're having beans, reduce the amount of other carbs that you are going to eat and see if you can add another source of protein. Now if you're purely vegan, if you're just going to eat plant based protein, then beans and legumes are your only choice. But if you eat dairy, then you got paneer, yogurt, curd, milk, cheese, some of these options. If you eat, meat, then you got poultry, eggs, all of other options available to you. So it depends upon what your options are, and from the given options, what is the best possible choice that you can make. So rather than thinking too much about it, consider it either as carbs or consider it as protein based on what are the other things that are available. Hope that clarifies the answer on carbs. Now, the other question is, fruit juice comes under less eat or eat less category, which are not considered the best sources of carbs. Why is that? Now, here is where I would like to ask a question or an example. If you sit and eat 2 to 3 oranges, how much time would it take? Mostly it would take anywhere about 10, 15, or 20 minutes for you to eat 3 oranges. Now, if you take those 3 oranges, put it into a juice, how much time it's going to take for you to drink that one glass, about 200 ml of juice? The answer is less than a minute. Now, imagine the amount of carbs your body got in 20 minutes versus the amount of carbs your body got in less than a minute. Now, see what happens. After finishing one glass of juice, do you feel satisfied, or how satisfied do you feel? Versus after having 3 oranges, how full and satisfied do you feel? So you know the process, because you've been eating for that 15 minutes or so, you actually feel much better. Now, from the nutrition point of view, so what I talked about is one, from the digestion and absorption point of view, you are releasing carbs in your body slow. Second, psychologically, because it is taking more time, it gives you more satisfaction. From physiological point of view, again, because you're eating, you're having lot of fiber along with that fruit. Again, that fiber is one going to slow down the absorption of sugar and release of sugar in bloodstream. It is also going to help you, clean up your gut. Fiber is also going to help you become a food for your gut bacteria, and it's also going to help you stay full or feel full. So that's why there is difference between fruit juice versus fruit. And now if you add this to packed or canned juices, they have additives, preservatives, salt and sugar added. which again is not that great compared to eating a whole fruit. So that's how fruit is much better option compared to drinking a fruit juice. And are fruits different from other sources of carbs? Like every source of carb is a different thing. Okay, so do fruits have a different category altogether? In a way, fruits are more rich in vitamins and minerals compared to some of the other sources, but carbs are carbs and fruits are fruits. So yeah, those colors in fruits are because there is, a lot more vitamins, phytonutrients, and minerals available in the fruit. That's why they probably are little different than other sources of carbs. So these are the main questions about carbs that you've had, or if at all you have, you got the answer. So hope you have this. If there are any questions, let me know.